Drum Soundcheck. Understanding the phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting phrase often heard in the world of music. Drum soundcheck. This phrase is commonly used in concerts and recording studios, but what does it really mean? Let's dive in and find out. A soundcheck is a process where musicians and audio engineers check the sound quality of instruments and vocals before a performance or recording session. It ensures that everything sounds just right for the audience or the recording. During a soundcheck, each instrument is tested individually and then together with the others. When we talk about a drum soundcheck, we're focusing on the drums. Drums are a crucial part of most bands, providing rhythm and energy. In a drum soundcheck, the drummer plays different parts of the drum kit: the snare, bass drum, cymbals, and toms, to make sure they're all sounding their best. The drum soundcheck is important because drums set the foundation for the rhythm. It ensures that the drums are not too loud or too soft compared to other instruments. It helps in adjusting the microphones and sound levels for a clear, balanced sound. That's all about drum soundchecks. They're a vital part of preparing for any great musical performance or recording. Next time you're at a concert or listening to a live recording, you'll know the work that went into making those drums sound just right. Hope this video was helpful, and see you in the next one.